I have no idea why. Well, it sure did work, that's for sure. Well, what the hell is this, guys? Ooh, okay. Okay. Well, one thing is sure, that mount is toasted. Everything is toasted. The slide is snapped. Well, I'm not sure what I'm gonna say, to be honest. Gonna go for one more jump. I think that the bottom angle jump is a little bit too steep, actually. Yeah, so what we can do. I think I'm gonna go for something bigger. Don't you agree, guys? Guys, Thomas here to before Rc-Xtreme. Did a few ramp tests down there. Well, works good. This angle might be a little bit too much, a little bit. Perfect for the summer. Guys, Thomas here. Before Rc-Xtreme. I have no idea if this is gonna work. Actually, I think I'm gonna stand over here instead. No. Or yeah, maybe. Well, no one remembers the cowboy, guys. Nice. Show you. And I like. Well, one thing is sure. Seems okay. Motor mount, the support snapped again. I did found the X-Max one that I used, snapped instant. See what we can do again. Yep, like I said, I'm gonna smooth out that angle a little bit. And it's so bumpy over here. It basically almost no, another 50. So close. Oh. Sorry, let's only one good jump down there. Extra fast. Okay, this is not going to be easy. The sun is, it's so low. Okay. Well, that's it, guys. Yep. That's it. That's definitely. Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna undo the body. I'm gonna put them there and sort of angle a little bit more. Okay, we bended my own shock stand off. It didn't snap, it bended. Slightly bow, not much, far less. So straight as an arrow, almost. But there seems to be no breakage. And how the F is that even possible? See here. I think, yeah, the first landing was there, as you can see, guys. The second was over there, or no, here? No. Here, perfect. But then I landed on the roof after. And the third, yeah. So guys, Thomas here at Rc-Xtreme, down in the gravel pit. Did a couple of mega ramp abyss jumps down here. Gonna do a quickie breaky downy. As you can see, I'm running the forward motor mount. The rear one, the actual slide was snapped in 3, so couldn't use that. And I think this one is gone too. I'm not sure. Anyway, this is the conversion kit for the Traxxas Sledge. M2C Jackhammr with a 775 T6 chassis, motor mount, mid-diff mount, top plate, beefier center shafts, tower brace, front and rear shock tower, ESC plate, outrights front and rear, ZRS caps, O-ring pistons, hardest springs from Traxxas front and rear. I think I'm 900 on all corners. Subx servo 1230. M2C Racing beefier rear dog bones. The motor support, the rear support snapped. As you can see, I bended a front shock stand off. This was homemade. Rear, this one is homemade, so to work on this one bended. And the reason it did, because I'm gonna show you up there. It's quite tricky to know how to see the depth. of the car when you're jumping out, if I'm not mistaken. Around here, nosed. Chassis still perfectly straight. I bended back the tower brace. Sadly, the electronics have a malfunction. I hope it is the receiver and not the EC, because it's going up, start procedure, and then flashes red only, like there was no connection. So I'm gonna look over that when I'm coming home, maybe tomorrow, I don't know. Anyway, super impressed that the car took it. Man, it's really high there, and then you add a couple of feet when you're using a ramp. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.